Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook account private. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch the Facebook app first. Then I want you to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. Then I want you to click on the top right corner and click on the gear icon, okay? When you're at settings and privacy, I want you to click on privacy checkup. It's very easy. From all these options over here on privacy checkup, you want to focus only on the first one. Who can see what you share? So when you click on who can see what you share, you will be forward to a page where you will be able individually and manually to select the privacy on each of the information that you currently have on the platform. For example, you will have the option to choose who can find your account. Is your account public or private? Is your account available for friends or friends of friends? Is your information for where you're currently residing, your city, your country, your date of birth, your education, university, job, occupation? All this information will be there and you will be able simply to change it from private to public, from public to friends only. You can actually filter to specific friends. You can share all your information with the friends except particular friends. You can actually make an exception for particular people from your friend list that are not so close of yours, right? So you don't want them to see particular posts, videos, tags. So this is how essentially you can turn your account from public to private, and you can keep it public, right? But you can filter it much more and you can niche down the particular audience that will see first all of your posts and the other type of the post that, doesn't matter who see them as long as, they're not outside of your circle of trust. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.